This video episode is dedicated to a new Fieldclix mobile app. We'll show you all the amazing new features that make it much better than the old one. The first step is to install the app. For Android, open Play Market, find Fieldclix Next App and install. For iOS, open App Store, find Fieldclix Next App, then install. Once you have installed the app, start it. One thing about app permissions is that you can set all the required permissions in the app system settings before you start working with the app for the first time. Or if you'd prefer, you can grant the requested permissions when opening each module. Either way is totally up to you. Let's take a look at the application settings. On your Android device, go to the settings, then apps. Find Fieldclix Next and tap to open it. You'll see the app info screen. Allow notifications to receive push notifications such as an upcoming lunch or a rejected photo checklist result. Tap to open permissions and allow the following permissions. Camera permission is required to take clock-in and clock-out photos. Add a photo for a work order checklist item, COD request, asset transfer. Microphone permission is required for you to use speech-to-text features in forms. Storage and phone permissions are not required. We use system storage to store the application's media files. If you are using the timekeeping module, make sure the location permission are set to allow all the time. If you're using an Android 9 or earlier, just select the allow option. Some Android phone models have extra options for location settings. If you see a button for high accuracy or precise location, go ahead and turn it on. The same goes for background app refresh. For better GPS data, we also recommend adjusting the battery and mobile data settings for the Fieldclix mobile app. Return to the app info screen and navigate to the usage section. Open mobile data and toggle on the buttons, allow background data usage, and allow data usage when data saver is on. Back to the app info screen and then open the battery usage setting. Select the unrestricted option. Let's take a look at the application settings on iOS devices. It is similar here. Go to Device Settings and look for the Fieldclix app. Once you've found it, tap on Location to open its permissions. Make sure it's set to Always. Also, don't forget to toggle on the precise location. Return to the app settings screen and grant the following permissions. To take a clock-in, clock-out photo, add a photo for a work order checklist item, COD request, or asset transfer, the camera should be on. You'll also want to enable notifications to get helpful push notifications like an upcoming lunch or a rejected photo checklist result. Toggle on the background app refresh. Do the same with the mobile data button. Open the installed Fieldclix app, and if prompted, download the latest application updates. To do this, tap Continue. Once the update is done downloading, you'll be back at the login screen. Good news! You don't need to register your mobile device as was previously required. The login process is now quite simple. On the login screen, enter your company code, login, and password. These credentials are usually sent by text message or email. The credentials are the same for the app, web portal, and Fieldclix desktop client. Tap Login. Once you've logged in, you'll see the menu screen with all the modules available to you. In the Fieldclix system, we use employee roles to enable or disable modules in the mobile app. As a quick example, if you're in the timekeeping mobile role, you'll be able to access the timekeeping module. Watch the next episode for an overview of account settings and the menu screen. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new content.